Some active and trending stocks. This is Monday, the 29th of September 2025, pre-market session. We have STKH, JFB, PSTV, and MRUS. STKH up 78% or thereabout. Let's see what we have. Intraday high, none of that. None of that. Intraday high, intraday low, none of that. Let's see. This is the 4-hour chart. So this strength is expected to remain in place up till midday today. Then after that, we may have a contraction that might remain in place up till Tuesday, the 30th. That's tomorrow. All in all, it's just saying that we may have a distributive contraction going all the way towards Monday, the 6th of October. Projections are saying 7.77, 9.17, and 10.03. Current price is 7.75. Okay, so 7.77 is just a modest fractionally above the current price of 7.75. Previous projections, let's see what we have. We had 6.57, 12.08, 15.04, 16.87. Okay. Price pressure momentums, let's see what they're saying down here. Okay, strongly bullish. The 10 and 21 period moving averages, however, the derivatives on the second period moving average and the second derivative on the first moving average are all negative, indicating that the stock has been facing some resistance. Some profit taking is taking place or has been taking place. Yeah, this is it actually had a gain of up to 79% or thereabouts. So yeah, so some profit. What are we talking about here? Look over here. You see it reach the highs of 10.44 in this pre-market session. Yeah, 10.51. Even though that looks like yeah, it did reach there, but even though it may have been as a result of aggression, so it doesn't matter. It reached there and it got rejected there. So the projection of 10.03 has already been tested. Yeah. Do we have any news for STKH? No fresh news. There might be some news somewhere, but we don't have it. Okay, so let's see what we have for JFB. JFB up 62.61 point. It's quite volatile, 61% roughly. On Friday the 26th, they printed an intraday high of $19.7. Let's see what's going on, how aggressive the market for the stock is. Let's see. No extrapolations. It doesn't have enough data for those. Projections are saying 6.91 currently. Current price is $11. It's so 6.91 is a downward projection. Let's see where they had previous upper projections. Yeah, 11.23 has printed. Yeah, 11.23 is an upper projection. That was the case as of the 19th of August. 12.84, 13.84 as well. Price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have. Everything is strongly bullish. However, we have a fractional negative second derivative on its 21 period moving average, indicating that yeah, the buying pressure has is decelerating. It has lost some of its steam. Selling pressures gradually kicking in. Yeah, people are taking profits. Oh yeah, obviously you can see that it got a rejection. So yeah, it is indeed, yeah, some selling pressure is most certainly in place. Even though the price pressure momentums are still looking robustly positive, but you can see earlier on they were even much more positive than they are now. So So this is what's going on with the stock. This is the active trader. I think it looks doesn't look that liquid as such, even though okay, maybe liquid, but aggression is there. But not as liquid in any case. Not as liquid. Okay, let's see. PSTV. PSTV up 30%. Also looking volatile as well. Let's see what's going on. We exit this and come back again. Intraday high 0.88, 0.8669. Yeah, it looks liquid. Being that is a penny stock, it's people are going to be they'll be it will have the participation will be quite a high one. 80.72. Let's see. Yeah, it looks a lot more liquid. You can see the lots that's going through. Yeah, it looks a lot liquid, and volatility surely is there. Yeah, heavy volumes surely. Yeah, PSTV. Let's see what we have. PSTV. Okay, so the strength will remain in place is expected to remain in place up to Wednesday, the 1st of October. But before that time, the today's expansion may contract somewhat from midday today and then resume by midday tomorrow or thereabouts. Yeah. So projections are saying 0.433, 0.4316 is a downward projection. In terms of upper projection, you can see what we have here 0.8669, not huge. Well, more than at least up to looks like up to I would say up to not up to yeah not up to 10% from the current levels. Okay, let's see what we have. Price pressure. We may have previous upper projections, more projections more ambitious than those that 0.886. Yeah, we have 0.9, 1.06, 1.16 as of the 15th of August. But they're not in play now, but they're still very much relevant. Down projections as well. There indeed we have some of them as well. 0.4, 0.3430. Let's see what we have down here. Price pressure momentums all robustly trending, and derivatives are strongly bullish. Okay, let's see whether there's any news. There may be news somewhere, but it hasn't fed through yet. 0.811. Okay, let's see what's going on with MRUS. That's up. That's 8.19%. Intraday high 95.51. There's I think it's major news or something like that. MRUS. Let's see what we have. Okay, the strength is expected to remain in place up till midday today. Yeah, and then after that we may have a contraction and then a consolidation. Then uptrend may resume. Okay, price pressure moment. Okay, let's see what we have. 78.08. It's a downward projection. Yeah. Price pressure momentums, everything's robustly positive, but It's either these fractional derivatives are improving or they have decayed. I think maybe they are improving. It seems, yeah, they're improving. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether we can get the news. I saw the news somewhere. Okay, yeah, that's the news. Genmab falls as it agrees to acquire Merus. Genmab will pay $97 per share for Merus, the company said, which is a 41% premium over Friday's closing price in New York. The proposed acquisition aligns with Genmab's long-term strategy and could accelerate its path to global biotech leadership. Okay, so that's what's behind that spike. Yeah. So well, we don't exactly know what the details are and when the merger will be completed. So yeah, just that's what's going on. Just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.